under release under the hood of my 2013 Cadillac CTS coupe with the 3.6. And what I want to do today is clean the throttle body right here. And to do that, you're going to need some throttle body cleaner. You're going to need some rags. You're going to need a good toothbrush, flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket, or you can use a ratchet or whatever you want to use. And this same procedure can be applied really on any cars, but today we're doing it on my CTS Cadillac. So first thing we want to do is just remove the air intake holes right here. And some people will clean the throttle body while it's still on there, but I really like to clean the back of it really good, so we're going to remove the throttle body completely off of there because it's real easy. That's why. All right, so now we have the hose disconnected. Let's see here, I don't want to risk busting this hose right here, so I'm just going to keep it right here. And now we're going to take off the bolts. See, real easy, not a lot of torque done up in there. I don't think I need this extension. All right, now we can take her off. As you can see, there's the seal on here. I don't know if you can see that blue rubber ring. That's what seals it up right there. All right, I'm going to unplug it. I'm going to push that red tab up. That allow me to push down to take it off. And look at the back of that. Look at that. Is that dirty or what? So what we're going to do, we're going to soak that down a bit. And what it does, that grime builds up and it can prevent this from closing all the way when it needs to be closed all the way. All right, so first thing we want to do is soak this down a bit. And what you will see is that it immediately starts to break up some of that grime right away. Get some on your toothbrush. Well, let me do the toothbrush a little later after I get the heavy part of this grime out of there. So I want it to clog up my toothbrush right away and stop the effectiveness of the toothbrush. Where the seal goes, I want to clean that part up too as well. You want to get the butterfly as well, the ends of the butterfly, any grime that may have been building up on the ends. And you want to do both sides. Take the rag down a little bit, get it up in there. Now I want to start using the toothbrush to get in those places that's a little harder to get to. See, all around those little areas. Oops. All right, start doing the final cleanup. All right, I think that is definitely a ton better than it was. Now we'll go back over to the car and put her in. All right, so there we go. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. So I'll plug her back in. there we go. That's how we clean the throttle body on any car, but on this 2013 Cadillac CTS 3.6 in particular. A clean throttle body definitely can help out with your fuel mileage performance, and also just help your car idle run a little smoother. If you like, hit the like button and definitely hit the subscribe button. Thanks for joining, everyone.